Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis. It's time for a quick and easy craft for you, making these little tiny love notes and snowflake letters and envelopes. These are super easy. Just need a marker for the color of the accent you want, blue or red for these, and a Sharpie or something black to outline with. And then you need some white paper. All right, so I'm using some scraps. Here, just a piece of white scrap. I'm cutting 2 inches. I'm going to cut, let's see if I can get 2 out of this. And we'll just cut it at the same time. Just not quite. We'll just use what we can. I like to use what I can. And just to let you know, my dog did something to my trimmer. So let me cut these on a different one. Okay, so 2 inches wide, and then we cut at 1 1/2. So we're just going to do that over and over till we get however many mini envelopes, love letters that we want to make. So once you have your little letters, you can do a lot at one time. You're just going to outline them and then put in your accents however you want. So I just outline. It doesn't have to be a straight line, and it can actually be like curved or, you know, squiggly a little bit. So for this one, we're just going to do a stamp here. We're going to address it, put a return there, and on this one, we'll just put a little heart in the stamp. And that's all there is to that one. Then, let's do a different style. So maybe you want to write a little letter. So you just make your little heart with your marker. And the marker shapes kind of lend to that, you know. Just write your letter. Then, so if you wanted to do another one for with dots, you could just do that across your whole thing. And then I wanted to do some for my winter journal. So I wanted to do snowflakes. And then I just put dots all on it and a snowflake or 2. They're really cute. And then if I wanted to put a snowflake in here, can't really see it, but it's kind of light. So let me show you the back of your envelope. So you just want to do this. And then when you bring your envelope down, you don't want to finish it unless you want to go over the line. But just say you wanted to do your heart. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. So just do a heart in the middle. Like that. Or if you wanted to do one that is like this, you know, because you have those different types of envelopes, like invitation envelopes, and then you wanted to write love on there and then put a heart below it, just like that. Now, what if you wanted to do the back and you wanted to do a snowflake, and you brought down and up your envelope, and let's do a little bit darker so you can see, and we're just going to make a big snowflake. And then for snowflakes, I kind of like having the dots just to kind of make it look like little snowflakes everywhere. So this is just some examples. Then I also like a vintage look. So if you wanted to go over around all the vintage, I call it vintageizing, to make your note look vintage. So anyway, that is it. It's super easy. You can do as many different styles as you want and have fun with it. Thanks for watching.